Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, where we often complain, Cambridge University, British Council, IDP, they don't give band score. There is a student who achieved very good band score, and I would like to dedicate this video to that student. His name is Mohit Kumar, and Mohit Kumar belongs to India, and his first language is Hindi. Mohit watched my videos and he is a good fan of me. Mohit, thank you very much for that. And after watching my videos, he appeared in IELTS exam. So guys, you can see his TRF, listening 8.5. Wow. Reading 8. Actually, he appeared in academic IELTS test. And students are struggling to get 6 band in academic reading, but Mohit Kumar achieved 8 band in reading. Writing 7, speaking 8, and overall band score 8. Mohit Kumar, a big thumbs up to you. Really, I'm very happy that you achieved your desired band by watching my videos on YouTube. So again, guys, the point comes here, if you are resourceful, and you are lacking some of the resources. Now, by the way, Mohit did not go to any coaching center. Mohit Kumar did not join any IELTS academy. He did not go to any coaching center where they claim to achieve you 8 band and all that, okay? He actually watched my videos. He used his personal resourcefulness, and now the result is in front of you. Overall 8 band in IELTS, that is equal to C1, and now Mohit can apply in any world-class university. He can apply for any scholarships, and very soon he is going to land to his destination country. Mohit, your story is a very good inspiration for my students who are struggling with IELTS. If Mohit can do it, you can do it. That's what I believe. If something can be achieved by one human being, any human being can achieve that. Once again, a great and hearty congratulations to Mohit Kumar, and thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that.